everyone, it's Kezzie over here from KezziesCorner and welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Kezzie and yeah, if you like what you see, I hope you join my lovely family. And if you don't want to miss a video of mine, then press the notification bell button and it will notify you every single time I post a video. Today's video is going to be all about the Revolution Pro new neutrals products. I know they've been released for quite a while, but you know, I'm releasing the video now, so please bear with me. We're going to be trying out the eyeshadow palette, the primer, and the lipstick, and also the setting powder as well. So yeah, if you want to keep on watching, then keep on watching. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more, then press subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Okay, so let's begin. I'm just going to put on my hairband. I think I'm going to do my eyes first because why not? So this is the Revolution Pro Eye Elements in the shade, I think it's called Core. So I'm going to use this to basically apply it all over my eye area. So I'm going to try and use most of the Revolution Pro products. So yes sirree, sirrah. Just going to blend that out a little bit. I'm going to do my brows as well. I'm going to use the Revolution Pro Ash Brown Eyebrow Pencil, which is this one right here. This is actually really heavy, and you wouldn't think that would be really heavy for a Revolution Pro product. However, yes, it is. So just gonna fill in my brows and do this very quickly. Okay, so that's the brows done. I'm just gonna use a brow gel to set my brows. So now what we're gonna do is we're going to do the lids basically, so eyeshadow. And I'm gonna be using this palette right here. It's the Revolution New Neutral shadow palette. This really resembles the Huda palette, the nude palette. It's quite like a dupe for that palette. Like, I mean, look at that. Like, if that isn't like a dupe for the Huda palette, I don't know what is. So we're gonna do, I don't know what I'm gonna do yet, but we're just going to go with it. So I'm going to take a blending brush. There's also like a based shade, which is the concealer shade, but we're not going to use that because I already used concealer. So yeah. So I think I'm going to take first, let's take Whisper first. So I'm going to take this shade first. We're going to do Whisper. So I'm just going to apply this in my crease part of my lid, basically on that upper part. Have the annoying spot over there, like that's going like crazy, you know what I mean? It's like crazy. So I did the pink shade, the first shade, and now I'm going to go in with Rumor, which is a darker pink shade. So I'm going to just use that to apply it below the shade called Whisper. So, ooh, like that is a really pretty rose pink shade. So I kind of stamped it on first, and now I'm just going to blend it into my crease. Okay, so now I'm just going to apply some of Whisper because it kind of went away. I'm just applying it on the top. So now we're going to add a pop of purple, and I think the purple that I want to add is actually a mixture of Majestic and also, what's the other one called? No, sorry, Zoned and Majestic. So I'm going to apply it using the Luxe Petite crease brush, and I'm basically going to mix them both together, tap tap tap, so we don't put too much, and then create an outer V, but I'm going to push it inside, to the inside as well, to the inside of my inner corner. So yes, something like that, and then we're just going to blend everything together. I'm going to do a half cut crease, okay? So I'm just going to use my favorite brush. Where is it? Here we go. It's from Wycon, the F115. I'm going to do a half cut crease and I'll be right back to place a nice glitter or shimmer shade, basically. Probably a shimmer shade because I'm feeling lazy. I'm doing a half cut crease, so that's enough. I'm actually going to not do the other one as well, but I'm just going to apply the shimmer shade now. I think the one I want to apply is this one. It's calling my name. It's called Magic. So I'm going to apply that, Magic, and then I'll probably apply Glitz in my inner corner because, of course. I kind of want to also dampen my brush so that it's recording, right? Yeah. Okay. So I dampened the brush. I'm going to use Magic. It's actually really pretty. I'm actually going to use my finger. I want to see what happens when I use my finger. Well, that's fine. We can keep it like this. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing on the other eye. And I'll be right back. But before, actually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to again apply some of Zoned and Majestic, the purple shades. And I'm just going to use them to blend where I had done the crease. And then just use my blending brush and blend upwards into the crease as well. Yeah, something. So it will be something like this. That's the finished eye look. Done. Well, no, we have to add the inner corner. Why don't we add the inner corner right now? I'm going to use this shade over here, which is called Glitz. Glitzed. And just placing it in the inner corner. Okay, so I don't know how the stop stays, but it's fine. I'm actually going to do my face makeup now before I continue doing my eyes. I haven't done the inner corner on this side, just so you know. So I'm actually going to use the Revolution Pro Hydra Matte Primer as my primer. Apply this all over our faces. This is one of their new primers and I've been using it for quite a while now and I really like how it stays and how it like creates a nice base for my makeup. It's like a good barrier between your face, your skin and the foundation. And for foundation, I'm actually using the Revolution Pro Full Cover Camouflage Foundation. I actually really love this. This one is in F4. So I'm just going to, you know, you have to be careful when applying foundation after you've done your eyes already. So, I have to stay attentive. But look at the coverage of this foundation. It's insane. For concealer, the Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Concealer. I'm literally, this is just finished actually. Oh my, I actually finished the concealer. We'll just grab everything that we need. That's done. I'm actually going to use this one. It's called the Revolution Pro Hydra Matte Translucent Setting Powder. It has ultra fine mattifying powder with hyaluronic acid. So that is what intrigued me the most about this powder, is that it has hyaluronic acid. The thing is, it comes like this. So it comes like a sponge, and I'm guessing that's how you apply it. I don't know, it's just really confusing. Okay. Yeah, that's fine. And maybe I'm just apply a bit over the rest of my face. You know what I'm saying? Just a bit. We'll just let it sit for a bit and then I'll brush it out. I'm just going to brush it off actually, you know. So that's done. The powder actually is really good. It really set underneath my eyes really nicely. To finish the eyes, again I'm just going to apply in my inner corner the Glitz shade and I'll apply a bit on my inner corner, on my brow bone, sorry. So I'm going to apply some of Whisper. So Whisper and Rumor underneath on my waterline. Yes, and then we're going to apply Zoned and Majestic. Just checking if it was recording. In my outer corner of my waterline to connect. Okay, so I'm going to do an eyeliner and mascara. So these you've seen me use in my channel before. They're the Revolution. This is the Renaissance eyeliner, and then this is the mascara from the Revolution. I'll just apply those and I'll be right back. So for bronzer or contour, basically I'm using the Imagination Highlight to the Moon palette. I'm just going to take, what I always take is Literally and Warrior together. For highlight, I'm actually using one of the Revolution Pro palettes, which is this one right here. It's the 4x highlighter palette. I had got this free once, I remember, and I'm using this golden shade right here because that is the shade that I want to use for shizzle. For shizzle. Like, look at that. That glow, that... That's intense. For lipsticks, the Revolution Pro have also released the new neutral lipsticks, which are right here. They come in this kind of packaging, and I kind of want to keep the packaging because it's too cute. So not to make a video long, let's watch them all. I'm just going to show them to you all. Look at the packaging. Hello, beautiful. So this one is the shade called Stripped. Absolutely love this shade. So this is Stripped right here. It's like a very basic nude shade, and then we have a shade called Stiletto. So this is a red shade. Like, look at that red, like that's intense, and these are all mattes. And then we have a shade called Vamped, perfect for winter, autumn. Like, whoa, got to be my favorite Revolution formulas by far. This shade is called Velvet. Like, these full shades, like, look at that. So this is Velvet. Ooh, I love Velvet. Finally, we have a purple shade called Thirst. This one is called Thirst, so I'll just do it like here. Ooh, that's a lovely plum shade. I think the shade I'm going to use is this one right here for today. Velvet. Okay, so that's the one I'm going to use today. So I'm just going to apply this on my face. They are so soft on the lips. Oh my goodness, it's just so soft on the lips. Not sticky, not drying. So pretty. And this, with the look, I think went by far the best. So those were the products I wanted to test out today from Revolution Pro. They're mostly from the new Neutrals collection that was released a while ago, which I was supposed to do a video about, but I never got around to doing it, but now I am, so hope you don't mind. But yeah, that was it. The palette I really liked. The shades blended out really nicely. They were very pigmented. Lipsticks I loved. Brow product I loved. What else did we try? The moisturizer, simply love. If you want a really good, cheap, full coverage foundation, this is the one that you should go for. Just an FYI. But yeah, apart, like, I didn't hate one of the products. I love them all. So yeah, so that was my video. If you like this look, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more, then please subscribe. Obviously, if you like the video, basically, you give it a thumbs up. You know what I mean? And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!